In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Medisafe account. First of all, launch open Medisafe application. You can see over here Medisafe application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you can see the option for get started. If you do not have the account yet, tap on that option and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to log into your account. You can also log in with Google Plus if you want. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for previously logged in with Google Plus. Tap on it and you'll be able to log in with it. Otherwise, simply enter your credentials in order to log in. Tap on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter the email address associated with your account. Likewise, enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget your password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, enter your password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now after you enter your credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Medisafe account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.